Okay. I know what you're all like. Oh my god, Sophie, you haven't uploaded in ages. I know, but this isn't fake. Look, 694 questions. Correct. 91 in 26 seconds. I'm serious. I done this a minute ago. And look, I'll even show you my money. For some reason, this isn't working. I know why. Do I have another wrap up? It's weird. But literally, I'll show you my coins. No joke, fam. I don't even know how to edit on this. What the heck? What the hell? Okay, well that's weird. But, whoops. But seriously, no joke. I'll press continue. Bye bye, good page. Look, continue. Oh crap, no. Game home. Look, I'll show you my coins. 11,000! See, that's how many coins I got, fam. I'm serious. Right, well, thanks for tuning in. Shut up! She's annoying. I'll beat her up in a minute. But look, 11,000, fam. Thanks for watching. Peace. Much more coming soon. Yeah.